हम 4 भाई 5 भाई जो भी हैं सुपर मास्टर।
महात्मा गांधी भी जब जंग छेड़े थे तो सबसे पहले अकेले चले थे।
It's my honor to introduce this meeting here. I have been called here. I am thankful to the members present here. First of all, let me introduce to myself. Myself Jitendra Kumar. I am enrolled in 1991 and practicing in Delhi High Court and District Courts and basically in civil side. My purpose for contesting the election is to do something for the welfare of the new lawyers and the all lawyers who are infirm. First of all, I will suggest that the panel should be there, the legal aid panel, oath commissioner panel, notary public panel should be, there should be a criteria, it should be for the person who are practicing below 10 years of standing. And the notary public we can go because there is a condition in that a lawyer who is appointed as a notary public, he should have at least 10 years standing. That notary public panel should be meant for the lawyers who are more than 50 years of age or who are infirm and for any reason those who cannot carry on with their practice practically and sincerely. Secondly, I would like to suggest that there is a medical aid provided to the lawyers and the benefit goes to the lawyers who are having their well connection in the bar council. There should be some restrictions and some criteria should be there. Any lawyer who is applying for a medical aid, the bar council should see whether he should be helped with that, whether he is an uplift lawyer, if he is doing very well, check his income tax file. If it is on the higher side, I think then that case should be rejected and the medical aid should be given to those who are really needy. It should be given to them. Then chambers, while allotting the chambers, it should be very fair and the committee should see the members who are having their chambers in other courts or who were previously having their chambers and they have intentionally surrendered their chambers, they should not get the chambers. But intentionally they have surrendered their chambers just to get chamber in Rohini court. So criteria should be there or they should give a proper explanation to the effect why they surrendered the chamber and now why they want this chamber here. Only deserving candidates should get the chambers. Those who have disposed of their chambers for 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 15 lakhs and they have kept that money in their pocket, they should not get the chambers here. This is my strong recommendation for that. Then anything else you want to ask?
May I know your 5 names amongst your team to take feedback? For your feedback, only give your 5 names.
You can take my feedback from Mr. Singh sitting here, right? I belong to a lawyers and judges family. I have a good practice and till date I did not apply for any legal aid or notary public or oath commissioner. I said this panel should be for deserving candidates. I have my other brothers who need this panel, so I never applied for it and I don't have any panel for that. It should be practically meant for junior lawyers. And you can take my feedback from Mr. Pramal Singh, from R.D. Sharma, then Mr. B.S. Banerjee practicing in High Court, Delhi High Court, then Mr. S.C. Bhuttan, and you can ask from Mr. Khosla also about me. And if you get any negative report about me, then you can penalize me for that. I am contesting the election. You have all rights. If you feel I am deserving candidate, then and if you want that I should come forward and for the welfare of the my brothers, then please vote for me. Yes, it's up to you.
One more question.
Please.
दिल्ली, one more question. बिग बाजार की तरह 30,000 में भी एक मॉल हो जो बार की तरफ से डिज़ाइन किया जाए और उससे जो मनी जनरेट हो उससे एडवोकेट वेलफेयर के लिए और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा किया जा सके, इसके बारे में आपके क्या विचार हैं?
You see, lot of things can be done for the welfare of the lawyers. There are so many means for lawyers. Otherwise, it is a good suggestion. But only thing is that we have to think about it whether it can be managed by lawyers or not, because we are basically in practice, right? We should concentrate on legal fields. It is my personal opinion. It should be given to some body, make it some body, and then that will manage, and that should be accountable to some committee of the lawyers. Okay, it should be run by individual persons, not by the lawyers. This is my suggestion, because lawyers should concentrate on their profession. It is a very good profession. It can give you the best. The sky is the limit. You can get fame, money, status, stature. You have everything. You can achieve anything. You can join judiciary. You can join politics further. If you have got a good image, you will get the results, good results. The rest.
Last one question.
Please.
Message for young advocates.
Please.
Message for young advocates.
Young advocates,
Not to young, all advocates.
all advocates, especially the seniors, they don't need my suggestions. They are very well, they know about pros and cons and about everything, next and next of this field. For my youngsters, I will give one message. There is no substitute of hard work, simply hard work, and your books, they are guru, they are your guru. Go to library, give time to read your books, take any subscription, take it the cheapest, 250 रुपये का भी आता है, 300 का भी आता है, जरूरी नहीं है कि AR ही चाहिए आपको, 3000 का चाहिए. So कोई भी अपने जर्नल लगाइए, and just when you have a free time, read it. That is the best guide. You will get the best knowledge from that. So my suggestion is every day at least read one judgment per day. One judgment per day. And from maybe not from JT or Apex, maybe from any other journal. Or go to library. And I'd say there is no substitute of hard work. Just put your hard work, you will get the result.
Okay. Right.